Happening troops, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be on market price action, and it's very simple. So the three types of price action, of course, is uptrend, which just consists of higher highs and higher lows. That's simple. Downtrend is of course the opposite, lower highs and lower lows. So uptrend, higher highs and higher lows, and downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. Very simple. Consolidations or sideways, some folk call it different things, but it just means the same thing. Consolidation is just where price doesn't move anywhere. It doesn't have any higher highs, doesn't have any higher lows, and price is just in between, middle, just sideways. Consolidation. That is the three types of price action, and they're very simple to spot. These are the basics to trading, very bare bones trading, and I'll show you a couple of examples in the video, and hopefully you'll learn something. So we're on golden now. I can spot trends everywhere, very easy to spot. So even if we just look at the bottom, take this at face value, I'll get the wee pen. So an uptrend starts with higher highs and higher lows. So we come down here, you've got higher high here, higher low, higher high, 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 higher low, and then as it continues, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we get a break, and we start going into a downtrend. But that's an uptrend. That is what an uptrend looks like. It just consists of higher highs and higher lows. That is as simple as an uptrend gets. That is an uptrend. This in more detail. In fact, we'll just jump across to a different one. So we'll come over here for a downtrend. So a downtrend is as simple as lower highs and lower lows. That is as simple as it gets. So get my wee pen out again. So we come down here, as you can see, boom, big wick down, low, created a lower low than all of these previous lows. And what happens? Followed by a lower high. See this? Straight down, lower low, higher low. And of course, we're in the 15 minutes now, so this will look different on the hour. So I'll go over to the hour, I'll go over here. If I go into the hour, and delete that 15 minute, you can see here, what do we get there? Lower high, then followed by lower low, lower high. You could even say lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we then get a market shift. We get a market shift, break structure to the upside, starts an uptrend, and then we actually get consolidation. Perfect, look at that right here. Consolidation is just where price doesn't move, it stays sideways. So as you can see, we've not had much price action. This is all through Monday, because we're on the hour, mind. Remember, up here matters. You can't actually see that if I just... There you go. So as you can see up here, all the different time frames that I use, I don't really use them often. I usually stick to my 1 hour, 4 hour, 5 minute, 15. Sometimes check just for daily bias and where price might want to go for retracements. So we've just not made any big moves, and we've just sat in consolidation, and price has not really done anything until we got this sweep of liquidity here, and then it dropped, and then back, and then what happened? Straight back into consolidation. Look at that price action. That is horrible. You would not want to be trading during this week. You could definitely catch some retracements, and there's no doubt you could definitely catch some moves here, but as I'm a swing trader, I don't really tend to catch retracements, so I would not want to be in this right now, because that is disgusting. So if we just go over to JPP, JPY, and I'll just grab examples, because these are easy to spot, these are not hard. So we'll go look for consolidation. So consolidation is just where price doesn't move anywhere and kind of just consolidates. That's more or less what it means. Folk call it different things, but it depends. So this was another video that I'd done a while ago, but as you can see here, look at this price action. This is disgusting. No much price movement here. Look at the state of this, especially over here. We're just consolidating, just bouncing, not really making much moves. Then finally actually I've got this marked. What happens? We get a higher low and a higher high. We get a higher low as it's higher than these previous ones. So look, if you look down here, this is higher than these previous candles. Of course, it will look different in different time frames, but as you can see, this is a lower high and a lower low. And as you can see, we then start an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we get a breaker structure. We get a breaker structure to the downside, which this would be a time to enter on, and certain liquidity sweep as well. So you can see liquidity was swept from here. So this would be a perfect and ideal trade to take. So you can see, swept this liquidity, broke structure, and then what happened? We went into a downtrend. And what does a downtrend consist of? Lower highs and lower lows. So then what happens after that? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Simple. That's a downtrend. That is a downtrend. That is consolidation, uptrend, and a downtrend all in the one move. I say all in the one move. I say all in the space of a week. So in the space of 2 weeks. So in the space of 2 weeks, we got consolidation. You would have not wanted to really enter. I know that some people do trade with the ICT strategy. I don't trade off of that strategy, so I don't understand it. I know it's distribution and accumulation, but that's as far as I know, and I don't trade off that strategy. So some of you guys might have heard that. Some of you guys might even trade that or are learning that. Each to their own. Whatever strategy works for you, works for you. Try and personalise it as much as you can, and have it accustomed to you, and you'll find the best strategy for yourself. Don't try and copy everybody else's strategy. Stick to your own strategy, stick to one that works, and you'll be fine. I'm going to make another video for shorts explaining this in a little bit more detail with better examples, with more apparent and obvious examples, so you guys can understand it a bit more, just in case you didn't grasp this at the start. But this is the bare bones of trading. Uptrends, downtrends, consolidation. A lot of people call it reversals or different. They have different ways of saying the same thing, so try not to get confused that way. But this is as simple as it gets. This is as easy as it gets. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I know this wasn't a really long video, but I want to teach you guys. I want you guys to understand how the market works and how and why we take these trades, and how you can make money for it and stop working that 9 to 5 and being a slave. Your time starts now. Your time to change will start when you decide to change. Nobody will make you change. I can't make you change. Your family can't make you change. It's only you that will change for yourself. I made that change. I didn't want to work my 9 to 5 anymore. I'm in the progress of actually leaving it and getting out. That is the bare bones of trading. As I said, there'll be another video out in a bit more depth. I'd say there's not really much you can do with this, because it is as simple as just spotting higher highs, higher lows, and the more time you spend in the market, the better you'll understand it. So I suggest, even if you're not trading, if you're not old enough to trade, just look at the market, look out for uptrends and downtrends, and you'll see an improvement. Once you can start just noticing these things, it'll become a lot easier. So if you guys stay to the end of the video, what I want you to do is go on, get a book, get a notebook or something, anything, and just go onto a market, write down the meanings in uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation. So if you forgot, uptrend is a series of higher highs and higher lows. That is it. Downtrend is just a series of lower highs and lower lows. Simple. So I'd say consolidation is just simply this. Price not really moving anywhere, staying middle ground, and not really doing much. That's consolidation. So that's the 3 price actions of the market. I hope you guys will learn something, or I've not confused you guys too much already. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I take care.